guys, I just arrived to the hotel and here is a backyard. You have a little garden, a swimming pool. It's a hostel actually. You have a terrace as well. It's so nice. So this is a common area with all the other place. And then you have a little terrace, and I share my room with two other people. So this is a terrace. There is, so like I said, we only three to share. Is a dormitory, and then we go back to the entrance. And here we go. And this is the entry of the hostel. So not disappointed, really good. It's my first time in a supermarket and I enjoy finding things that I didn't know, like liqueur of cactus. Oh, what is funny, here you can find seed of aloe vera if you want to plant one at home. That's good actually. Now one of my favorite, the sangria, the Tito Verano. I have a lot of choice. Oh, I know I'm gonna enjoy. Try product that I don't know. This is for the morning. Let's try. In the basket. You have a lot. Juanitos. Ooh, my favorite area. And it's cheap because it's Spain. But the best. First time on my way to the beach. As you can see, it's beautiful. And it's really warm weather. It's even too hot. And first day arrived and already on the beach. So right now I'm on Colon Beach. Puerto Colon Beach. So it's quite okay. And the sun is really good at this time. It's like, let me check. It's 5 o'clock at time for London and it's 6 in here, and look how it's sunny. So I have a lot of time to chill today. Hey guys, so it's my second day in Tenerife, and right now I already met some friends. Sardinian friends. So basically that's what is cool, to be in an hostel, because you meet a lot of other people, and if I come alone, I already met some people I can go out with and clubbing. Tonight we go clubbing. So second day, the plan is we're gonna do jet ski, and it's not too expensive actually. For all activities it's like really cheap. So I'm thinking to do during those 5 days maybe paragliding and jet ski, and what else? Tomorrow I plan a tour of the island just to discover a bit. So right now is chilling still in the beach Puerto Colon, and this afternoon we're gonna go in another beach with much better, El Duque. So I'll let you know. So see you guys. So guys, we are on the marina, and as you can see, I'm ready to take the jet ski. We're gonna go with a radical jet ski. So look, they look so good. We're gonna have a guide for 1 hour, and it costs like 70 euros, something like that. And for 1 hour, so we go 2 of us, so it's half price because we share the price of the motor, so it's really cool. I'll let you update. Guys, we just finished the attraction. The jet ski was awesome. I couldn't film, unfortunately, because obviously they sell the pictures and stuff. So, but I recommend it. It was around the beach and it was really cool.
Thank you. Hello.
Thank you, Bart, on this side. Hello.
See the big
new friends.
fish.
Where is? Oh, where? Yeah, really.
Hello. Ciao.
Ahora llego de fiesta. Eso es a Chaman Club. Sorry guys, I forget. This is a club, a Chaman Club, and I just come for a party. I hope you will enjoy, guys.
Se enfundan en una sola cual vaina mía. Buenas noches a todos. Estoy en barrio cantando con la máquina del swing inseparable de este, bienvenido de nuevo. DJ Queen, Omar, el loco que todo lo ve, Marquito. Bienvenido a nuestro hermano Costa, gran artista de Galicia, para el mundo.
Siempre en Achamán, que ahora es la terraza, donde la gente puede ser tranquila, tomar una copita afuera y ya está. I'm sorry guys, every time I forget that I have to speak Spanish, so I'm just outside Achaman in the terrace, and as you can see, people can drink and chill together. And it's a kind of a lot of Latino salsa music. Siempre Achaman fuera. Beber dentro.